Hello and welcome to the greatest Tamil science channel. I'm your host Vishakha and we're in conversation with Dr. C.K. Nandagopalan. Hello sir.
Hello.
So one notices in Tamil Nadu specifically that people apply turmeric to their skin after they bathe. So what is the scientific reason for that?
Yeah, if you see the turmeric plant, the roots of the turmeric, right? The thinner ones are what we use in cooking. Near the stem of it, there will be bigger lumps,
The nodule.
which is called karangamanjal, which we don't use it in cooking. It has more of lead component,
Oh.
so which we use it for our skin treatment. Now, this practice, the ancient Tamil population was, brilliant enough to understand all these effect of this plant, the value of turmeric. So this thing is cosmetic reason. Right from 6-7 years of age, they wipe their hands, they scrape their hands with that turmeric part of it,
Right,
when they take bath.
Right.
And those days there used to be no soap. Okay, they used to use other medias like moong dal powder, and they use vetiver and all that stuff. Then cosmetically they don't want their hair growth. This hair growth starts only, your FSH starts after your puberty,
Right.
much more than what it is in the younger days. So younger days, from younger days itself, from 5-6 years of age itself, the girls, they use it for their legs, hands, if they have this area, the face, and all that. Slowly it makes sure that your follicles which are growing hair, the turmeric will have an effect on the follicles. It will not allow the follicles to, receive hormones to grow hair. This is one reason,
Okay.
major reason. So you don't go for threading, pedicure or manicure and all that kind of thing later. But the point is that as long as you do this, go on doing it. Suppose a girl starts it at the age of 5-6 and goes on till the age of 20, 25, 30. They do it continuously. It's a part of their bathing.
Right.
Their skin tend to become slightly yellowish.
Yeah, right.
You must have noticed that.
Yeah.
They're not bothered about that. The second medical effect of the turmeric, application of turmeric on your skin, it's very good as a preventive stuff for many infectious diseases. The skin, even though the skin is a primary immune barrier, and you do have a lot of impact on the skin from the environment. The breeze, the air, the atmosphere, the smoke. There are so many things, it comes in contact with the skin, right?
Right.
So the microbiome part, after the microorganisms living with us, the maximum of it is there from the dental to the anus, on the gastroenteritis tract. The second highest is there in the skin.
Through the skin.
And turmeric balances it. Keeps your microbes part of the dermis very healthy. Yeah, so that they have the energy to attack things. This is the second reason.
Okay.
And it is the part of their daily life. These are the two scientific reasons behind the turmeric, what is being applied on the skin on the daily basis.